In this video, I will show you how to diagnose an OBD port that is not connecting to any dongle, like my OBD dongle XTool A30M. Show you now. As you can see, guys, there's no light on it. So unplug. Using a multi-tester, we'll check the connectivity of the ground. From this one, you see these LUTs. It's LUTs. This is not present on this dongle. We go for counterclockwise. This is number 16, and here is number 1. Number 1, 2, and 3 and 4 is the chassis ground. Okay, so there is a ground, and another one is the signal ground. Continuity is very good. And now we are going to test again the voltage from pin number 16. Now, so we set that to DC volt, and we will find out the terminal number 16 if there is a supply voltage. Okay, guys, it's a 0 volt. That means that either the fuse or the connection in here is faulty. Since we found out that everything here, the ground except the power supply, the battery power supply, has no power. Next step is we'll check the fuse. So remove this one and try the other cord for this multi-tester. Again, guys, in here, based on this diagram, the OBD port is in number 8, 7.5 amperes. See, like this, and we'll check it out. The continuity of it's in here based on the diagram. Okay, alright, set up the light like that, and we'll check the continuity from that one. It's too hard. And the other side. Okay, guys, this is the problem. The fuse is gone, busted. 7.5 volts. Okay. Using our long nose, try to remove this one. Okay, and replace a new one. Okay, the same voltage, 7.5. Please check the specification according to your manufacturer. This is the new one, and we will put that on. Too difficult. Okay, I hope this will go this time. Okay, second time around, we'll use it by hand. Okay, great, just like that, guys. Push it properly. Okay, it's properly seated. And then we need to try again our USB, no, not USB dongle, our OBD dongle, if it is working. Okay, we go to driver's side. Okay, try to push it in. Okay, guys, as you can see, guys, it turned on my OBD dongle. So the problem is solved. Okay, the job is finished, guys. I hope that this video is informative. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.